Knock! Knock!
Who's there? Boo!
Hello everyone, my name's Chris Mortimer from Crism Security and today is Free Advice Friday. Now you're all going to get a lot of callers this next week, especially on Thursday, Halloween night. And for a lot of people it can be a bit apprehensive for them to open the door, but it's not just Halloween night, it can be any night of the year. So what's the best thing we can do? Well, we all know it's an intercom system on a locked door. The trouble with intercom systems, if they become quite elaborate now, they've got mobile apps, you need Wi-Fi, you need an internet connection. But let's not forget the humble wired intercom system is still around, been around for about 40 years. They do exactly what they're supposed to do. They make a noise, you answer it, you speak to the caller, you either let them in or you don't let them in. So let's not forget, there's a relatively cheap way of doing it. It's a simple way and it works every time. It's not complicated. So first of all, thank you for your comments from last week, and please pop some down for next week. And remember, next week it's bonfire night and I've got something else to say about that.